So we're going to be talking a little bit about adding and adding. Well, right now we're going to talk about adding negative numbers. And we can't actually talk about adding positive or negative numbers without actually also talking about the general rule for this. And the general rule is that if you've got two numbers with the same signs, you're just going to add the numbers. So when it comes to addition, if you've got the same signs, you're going to add the numbers. And you're going to keep the sign. So say I've got something like, say I've got, 3 plus 4. This is 1, 2, 3. And that's my 3. Plus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. If I have, just like 3 plus 4 is 7, if I had negative 2, actually let me do this in red or green. Actually, let's do this in green. Let's say I've got negative 2 plus negative 5. Well, let's do negative 6. That should be, I'm going to add the numbers and keep the sign. Well, let's see, negative 2, 1, 2. I'm counting in this direction. This is negative 2, and I'm adding to that negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I look at this, and it looks like this ends at negative 8. So this is negative 8. Or we'd say that we just added the numbers and kept the signs. So same signs, add the numbers, keep the sign. If you have opposite signs, then you are going to subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the larger number. And you're going to keep the sign of the larger. So say we've got something like 7 plus a negative 9. With this, I will say, okay, I've got my original 7, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then, so that's 7. And then from here, I'm going to add a negative 9. So from this point, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It, from this point, is going to go back 9. And from 0, from where I started, I have gone back negative 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to negative 2. And these rules really do help you out. So when I do this, I'll say I could do anything like negative 20 uh, plus a 25. One of the things that I'll do is I'll just say, well, what's my bigger number here? Well, 25. This one is positive. My other number, my smaller number, is negative. I note on here that this is one's positive, one's negative. So I'm just going to subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is just a positive 5. So here is your tip on this. Arrange it vertically. And keep your signs on there. put your large number on top, because that way, if you have to add or subtract, it's going to be easy to do. All right, that's all I've got for right now, and I will see you in the next video.